So remember, I was telling you in the video that in this time when you are trading with phone, you can't be doing and be doing other stuff. So remember that, yeah. So I had some emergencies and I didn't push stop loss, I didn't push TP, everything. But you see, our setup played. We're targeting this point over here, but the trade went all the way, which gave us a good TP, right? But that is trading for you. If you don't put stop loss, if you don't put TP, I mean, things would have really, really gotten bloody for us. So we went all the way up to a good level, 93 points, yeah, good level. Then it dropped this evening massively. So if you are using the strategy that I taught you today, about the trend thing, you know that over here the trend you still bring it. Let me put it down. So far as this was our trend, this thing has shifted. This trend line will be somewhere. Yeah, this trend line will come somewhere here. Will come somewhere here. Still indicating an uptrend. So far as there hasn't been any candle breakdown, you remember, it will still be going uptrend. So watch all these candles, study all these candles carefully. Study them carefully. You can take a screenshot and study. See that none of the candles broke below any other candle. But when price go to this higher point here, this was the higher point. Then this was the lowest point. Then we had this candle breaking down, down, down. So if you're watching this trade, you could have, if you want to see the time, you go to the plus section. You could have this particular candle I've placed on. Then you come down here and come and watch the time. It was, yeah, so it was around 7:45. Yes. So that's when you could have entered for some sales and targeted the lower low that you placed. So now we are in a very big drawdown over here. We have made some loss because we didn't put stop loss or TP. So I just wanted to add this one up because I just finished my schedules and this is what I'm having for you guys. So still keep subscribing. I'll add it to the previous video before I upload so that you guys can learn more. Okay, if you have any question, let me know. I'm closing all trade, close all losing or close all positions. I've closed everything, so we are in the negative. When it comes to history, you see that that means negative. You had only some small profit, but I'll be taking time to take you through properly so that I will be having more. It's just that because of the tutorials, I couldn't place a stop loss. Would have if I placed TP here, as I indicated, you remember, by now would have been in good profit. Okay, but then place my stop loss somewhere below here. I mean, would have been in huge profit before. So guys, this is all for